The engine oil dipstick on the MINI Countryman R60 is located under the hood on the driver's side of the engine. Look for a yellow-handled dipstick, often marked with MINI or engine oil. It's secured in a tube near the front of the engine block, close to the oil filler cap. It's a simple metal rod used to visually check the engine oil level. Regularly checking your engine oil level is crucial for preventing engine damage and ensuring optimal performance. Low oil levels can lead to increased engine wear and potential failure. Statistics show that improper oil levels cause 15% of engine failures in cars under 10 years old. Regular checks can help you catch issues early and avoid costly repairs. Park your MINI Countryman on a level surface to ensure accurate oil level readings. Turn off the engine and wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the oil to settle back into the sump for an accurate measurement. Open the hood and locate the yellow-handled dipstick, which is attached to the engine oil filler cap on the driver's side. Pull the dipstick out completely and wipe both sides clean with a lint-free cloth to remove any oil residue for an accurate reading. Reinsert the dipstick fully into its tube, ensuring it is pushed all the way back in securely. Pull the dipstick out again and observe the oil level. The oil should be between the minimum and maximum markings on the dipstick for proper engine lubrication. The dipstick has minimum and maximum level markings that help you determine the correct oil level in your engine. If the oil level is below the minimum mark, you need to add oil to prevent engine damage. If it's above the maximum mark, you have overfilled the oil, which can also be damaging to your engine. The ideal oil level is somewhere in between these marks. Refer to your owner's manual for the specific oil type and capacity recommended for your R60 MINI Countryman. 0-40 synthetic oil is often recommended for the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine. MINI recommends checking your oil every 10,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first. However, it's a good practice to check it more frequently, especially if you notice any warning lights or unusual engine behavior. Some 2025 recalls highlighted oil leak issues, so more frequent checks can be beneficial. If you consistently find your oil level low, it could indicate an oil leak. Inspect the engine for any visible leaks. If you find milky or foamy oil on the dipstick, it could indicate a coolant leak into the engine, which requires immediate attention. Always consult a qualified mechanic for diagnosis and repairs. One common mistake is overfilling the engine oil, which can cause oil leaks and damage the catalytic converter. Always check that oil stays within the safe range to protect your MINI Countryman R60. Another error is not fully inserting the dipstick before taking a reading. This can give inaccurate measurements and lead to improper oil levels. Always use the correct type and viscosity of oil recommended for your MINI Countryman R60. Using the wrong oil can affect engine performance and longevity. Finally, double-check your dipstick readings to avoid misreading the levels. A 2026 case showed how misreading led to overfilling and costly damage, so always verify your measurements. While the R60 MINI Countryman relies on a traditional dipstick for oil checks, newer vehicles are increasingly using electronic oil level sensors that provide real-time monitoring through the dashboard. Current trends show a decline in dipstick usage, with future MINI models potentially phasing them out entirely in favor of digital systems. However, for R60 owners, mastering the dipstick check remains a reliable and essential skill for maintaining your vehicle's engine health. Many owners combine manual dipstick checks with diagnostic apps for added assurance, creating a comprehensive approach to oil monitoring. As technology evolves, understanding both traditional and modern oil monitoring methods ensures your MINI Countryman stays in optimal condition.